Hey there, fellow curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of science and technology. And trust me, this is some mind-blowing stuff. Picture this, a device that can isolate blood flow to the brain, keeping that magnificent organ alive and kicking independently for hours. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi flick, doesn't it? Well, my friends, it's not fiction, it's science, and it's happening right now. So, who's behind this brainy invention? None other than Dr. Juan Pascual, a real-life genius who wears more hats than a hat store during a hurricane. He's a professor of neurology, pediatrics, and physiology at UT Southwestern, and he's got a couple of distinguished professorships to his name. This guy's got brains and titles. Now, what's the deal with this brain-isolating contraption? Well, it's been tested on a pig's brain, and before you go all Animal Farm on me, it's for a good cause, I promise. This device, described in scientific reports, could be the key to unlocking new ways to study our brains without the pesky interference from the rest of our body. Imagine a brain that's free from the influences of blood sugar, blood pressure, and oxygen levels. It's like giving the brain a solo concert, free from any distracting background noise. But hold on, we're just scratching the surface here. Dr. Pascual and his crew have already used this nifty gadget to explore the effects of low blood sugar without any other confounding factors. You see, normally, scientists have to play a little trick on lab animals, either by starving them or giving them insulin, and our clever bodies have a way of compensating for these shenanigans. But with this new brain isolation device, they can go straight to the source and tinker with the glucose levels in the blood pumped to the brain. Talk about a direct line to the brain. Now, for all you tech-savvy folks out there, you might be wondering how this device is different from those heart and lung machines they use during surgery. Well, the key difference is that this device delivers blood in a pulsative flow, just like our human hearts do. You see, cardiopulmonary bypass machines do their thing by delivering a continuous flow of oxygenated blood throughout the body. But that might not be ideal for our precious brain. Dr. Pascual and his gang are thinking this pulsative approach could prevent some of those pesky brain-related side effects that sometimes tag along with the typical machines. Oh, and in case you're thinking this sounds like a breakthrough, I want in on the action. Sorry to burst your bubble, but they've already got a patent on this baby. So, you can't just run off and make your own brain isolation device. Trust me, I know you were thinking about it. But let's not forget to give credit where credit is due. Dr. Pascual didn't do this groundbreaking work alone. He had an entire squad of researchers by his side, each with their own superhero titles. Okay, maybe not superheroes, but they're pretty darn impressive. We've got folks like Muhammad Sharif, Akshay Kumar Dobariya, Brett Evers, Ulrike Hoffman, Vikram Jakamsetti, Michael Jessen, Bruce Mickey, Matthias Peltz, Cameron Longfellow, Deborah Douglas, Levi Good, Gori Cathote, Gozangulo, Kwame May, Ronnie Brown, Misha Dunbar, John Shelton, and Saurav Patnai. If that's not a dream team, I don't know what is. So, there you have it, folks. The future of brain research is looking pretty darn exciting. Imagine what we could learn when we can study the brain in all its glory, free from the distractions of the rest of our body. But here's the big question, the one that keeps me up at night. What other mind-boggling mysteries of science and technology are out there, waiting to be discovered? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your brain isolated, figuratively of course,